Hello guys, welcome back to another TechNet video. Today is a really short and sweet video on the new export screen for Adobe Premiere Pro. Over on the top right hand side of the screen, right next to the edit button, is the export section. Once you're happy with your project and you're ready to save, hit this button here. You'll then be greeted by Adobe Premiere Pro's new export menu like so. Starting from left to right, let's make our way through each section, shall we? Section 1 on the left hand side allows you to pick and choose multiple options for how you wish your export to work. Some options include YouTube, Vimeo and Facebook for example. However, for your file type, it is most likely going to be the media file type selected, which should already be turned on. If not, select that slider to on. Moving on to section 2, this area of the export deals with your settings. Now, if you've correctly set up your project and sequence, these details should already be correct. First things first, give your video an appropriate name, something that's recognisable for you and your teacher in the future. Then choose an appropriate location to save your video, yet again somewhere that is appropriate. For the preset selection, you should choose high quality 1080p HD if your video is shot in the traditional 16:9 aspect ratio. If not, then choose the preset that matches your sequence. Finally, make sure that the format is set to H.264 for a standard video. The sliders below are pretty self-explanatory. If it's a video with sound and effects, make sure that these specific sliders are selected. If not, then your video may export with some of these options missing. The final section includes a preview of your video with a timeline below it to make sure it's all correct. Below that is two drop-downs called range and scaling. Make sure that these are set to entire source and scaled fit. Otherwise your video could export wrong. Once you're happy with all of that, head down to the bottom right hand side of the screen and hit the blue export button to begin exporting. Once that happens, you're all done and the video is ready to export. Thank you very much for watching guys, I hope you found some useful information in this video. If you want to find out any more about Premiere Pro or any other Adobe software, please head on over to the TechNet channel and check out some more of our videos. Thank you very much guys.